Good morning, equity guys. Welcome to equity guys pre-market video. I am Manjunath, NISM technical analyst. Now let's analyze what happened yesterday in the market. So Nifty 50, 140 points positive, bullish. Nifty Bank 250 points positive, bullish. Sensex 426 points positive, bullish. So three mother indices which we look out for. They are closed positive, bullishness. India volatility index, if it changes in the minus, the fear is reducing in the market and the market can go for bullishness. So what happened yesterday? India volatility index is minus 4.67% change that lead to a bullishness. Crude oil December future, which is running below 6,500 pre-COVID level, the data is bullish. Then gold bees, silver bees, once again it made all-time high. So fantastic momentum in gold bees, silver bees. Then now let's go to Nifty 50 once again. So focus now. So what happened in market yesterday? See, yesterday in my pre-market video, I clearly said, see, there is a gap zone at 25,695 level where market will go because it is a gap zone will act as magnet from where the market will be V-shaped recovery because PCR ratio is oversold and stochastic RSI in a day time frame is also in oversold zone. This is my pre-market video yesterday. You can go and watch in our YouTube channel. The same thing happened. See, in the first candle itself, second candle, third candle itself, it took support from 25,695. From there, the market went for a strong V-shaped recovery, which tried to close about 25,900. So data is super bullish. Now, if you go to day time frame, see how it is. Okay, the day time frame, you can see some strong bullish candle. Let's see what will happen tomorrow, today. What is our view? Everything we will discuss in the end. But as of now, it is data is bullish. Then sectoral wise, all sectors almost positive. Nifty 80 positive, bank positive, infrastructure positive, auto sector positive, as well as metal sector positive. So data is bullish. Advance decline ratio, the sentiment is bullish. You can see here the numbers, the advance are more compared to decline. Then Nifty 50 advance decline ratio, the data is bullish. Nifty Bank is also a bullish data. So now let's go to option chain. Option chain is 16 December 2025. We have to select in the money call option is buying, out of the money call option is also buying until 26,200 friends, 26,200. You can see 26,150 also there is buying. So you can see the rally is up to the 26,100. So the buyers are there in the market. At the same time, you can see or in the money puts selling, out of the money puts selling. You can see here OI, change in OI. See, they are changing. See, they are exiting from the market. They are exiting from the market. The put sellers are adding. The call sellers who are yesterday who are exiting the positions. They are booking the profits. So you can see the data is means they are shifting their positions. Okay, so I can call it that the data is bullish. You can see the 25,800. You can see 1,26,000 is a strong support zone. Support zone. Remember support zone. Okay. So PCR ratio. PCR ratio is neutral point around 0.7 to 0.8. So that's the neutral zone. So yesterday it was less than 0.5 oversold zone, V-shape recovery. Today it's neutral. So understand that point. So let's see what will be our plan for the day. Okay, cash market, FIs are selling, DIs are buying. So the net overall means it is 1,700 crores are worth of buying. F&O futures, okay, derivative market. See, index futures, FIs are buying, stock futures, FIs are buying. So there is a bullish rally possible in the market. Now let's go to global market. What's happening in global market? So let's see, US 30 is positive, US 500 is not. It's neutral. US Tech 100 is also neutral data. So we see a all neutral data in US global futures as of now. But let's go to cash market, how it performed yesterday. Dow Jones 1% positive, 1.34% positive. It's not small amount, Dow Jones. So Europe, American market is bullish. S&P 500 is also positive. Nasdaq, okay, there is some sell-off. Next, European market. European market is super bullish. You can see here DAX, FTSE 100, CAC 40. You can predict today there's a bullish rally in the first hour of the market. Then Nikkei, where is our Asian market? Nikkei is 900 points positive. It's not small amount. Again, once again, Nikkei is crossed above 51,000. Yesterday, I was telling about 50,000 mark. Now it is 51,000 mark. That is super bullish. Then Hang Seng is also yesterday closed neutral. Let's see today how it opens. Kospi is also currently it's positive of 1%. So data is bullish. Now ADRs, Infosys ADR, there is profit booking. Wipro ADR is selling. ICICI ADR is little bit selling. HDFC Bank buying and Dr. Reddy's Lab buying. So the data is neutral here because see you can see 1% change in Infosys ADR in negative, but there is buying in Dr. Reddy's Lab and HDFC Bank. So data is neutral. Let's see how it will be. So plan for the day. So let's compare Nifty December future with Nifty 50. If you compare there is some buying in derivative market. So when there is a derivative market demands, you can see the premiums are higher than the Nifty 50. So the data is bullish. Bank Nifty December future compared to Nifty Bank Mother indices, it is bullish. Now, India Volatility Index is bullish because it is the fear is reducing in the market and the data is suggesting us bullish. Next, Gift Nifty. Compare Gift Nifty with the Nifty December future. It is 125 points gap up. 125 points of gap up. Based on that one, let's plan for the day. Okay, first mark support and resistance, which are very, very important. See, yesterday we doesn't care. Market gap means it would have been loss for you. So 25,922 is our first resistance, 25,948 is our second resistance, then third resistance is 26,178. So there is an all-time high also. Please mark this all-time high. Very soon we might reach this target. See, I am not suggesting any this one, but have that clarity. So all-time high is always better to mark on the screen. The support side 25,693, then 25,450, then we have 25,318 as our support zones. So if they are very far, you can mark multiples of 100 as well to get a clarity. Now let's go to stochastic RSI. You can see stochastic RSI is still in oversold zone. So you can see some recovery or bullish candles, which are the opportunities you will get when to buy are good quality stocks, everything. So that's this one. Now let's go to intraday point of view. Intraday point of view, all data is suggesting bullishness, including European market and global market, like Asian market as well as American market. So you can see buy and dip market. So remember 25,800 will act as strong support zone. 25,800 will act as strong support zone. If market opens near about R2, then we are heading towards 26,000 for sure. So with this one, let's close our session. Thank you. All the best.